We're at the Gila Cliff Dwellings Monument, and we're heading up to the cliff dwellings right now. It's going to be fun. 300 steps up, 200 steps down.
Yeah, we're at what, about 5,000 feet elevation?
No, we're almost 6,000. Or
6,
right at 6,000. Yeah, it was 58 something yesterday. I'm excited because I know that this place is out here in the boonies. Not very many people actually get to see it in their lifetime, and we've made the trek, and it's going to be, I know it's going to be well worth it. It's one of the better remnants of Indian civilization that you can see in North America. That's where we're headed.
We're at the beginning of the trail, and we're in the shade, and it's down here. So make sure to bring warm clothing.
Bring layers.
Bring layers, especially if you're here in the November like we are.
Where the cliff dwellings are at. That's where we're headed. Get to go up a couple of ladders, get to peek inside, and it's going to be fantastic once we get up there. Yeehaw!
Looks like they have plenty of benches for old men like you.
It's the age. It's the miles.
Sometimes it pays off to sit and relax for a minute. Brian noticed up there, looks like one of the cave areas. I don't know if the camera can get it or not.
I'm Wally, FoxPartyOf3.
Awesome.
We're missing our third.
Yeah.
And we're meeting you out here in the middle of nowhere at the Gila Cliff Dwellings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How awesome is that?
And we have the Monterey connection.
Yeah,
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Monterey connection and the Texas connection. So
Yeah.
just started a conversation and found out, hey, we got something in common, and we love doing what we're doing. So.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you on YouTube.
Cool. Yeah. Thanks.
All right. Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys.
Hey everybody. We are at the top.
We made it to the pinnacle.
We're at the pinnacle of the trip. 300 steps up to this spot here, and it's mostly downhill all the way. It's worth the hike. I'm telling you now.
I'm super excited to get into the ruins, but it's so beautiful here. I want to stop and check out everything first.
Yeah, some old boy was crossing along here with his pack horses, camped for the night, got up the next morning, looked across and saw the dwellings and said, holy crap, let's go check it out. That's probably how they were discovered. Looking up, you see a T-shaped doorway. How did they get up there? Careful observation reveals a row of wooden beams just below the door. Archaeologists think that occupants may have climbed a ladder up onto a wooden balcony to enter the door. Some scientists associate the T-shaped door with the ancestral Puebloan culture found to the north of this area. How did the Pueblo door get into a Mogollon home? Some feel that this door is an indication of trade, not just trade of goods, but of ideas, beliefs, and even architecture. Others feel that the C-shaped door is a feature of the entire Southwest.
Before we go in, imagine what it would have been like back then. And I don't mean just imagine them living it. Today, we live with all the comforts and conveniences with modern living and communication. And here, these people survived by building this place here. Can you imagine? And this way we get to see up close the mortar and rocks that they used to build their walls.
Well, most of these rooms were built in the 1280s, but, wow, listen to the echo. But the heavy soot says that these areas were used for years before the dwellings were built.
Oh, wow. Looking at this is like looking at the stars in the sky. I thought Walnut Canyon was cool. This is amazing.
This is cool. You can see the detail.
So it says, the Mogollon mural. Although the design on the wall in front of you has faded since it was painted 700 years ago, its meaning remains. Some modern Puebloan people who claimed cultural affiliation with the Mogollon interpret similar designs to symbolize rain or clouds. And look at here, the mortar with the rocks and the wood. Still standing today, supposedly 700 years ago. I'm over here.
I can see you.
Can you see me? Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Hi. Hello, world.
haul your water up from the river, making your kills, cooking, living. No modern amenities.
The rangers, the people, the caretakers of this area, they came in and they raked out some of this, they cleaned it up. But if you look down there, you can see water spots from after they raked. So I wonder if that was just condensation building up on the face of the overhang that dripped down in there.
I don't know.
Or maybe it was rain.
Here, wait.
And look here.
Wait. Or shadow. Look.
Oh.
Wait.
And then look here. See how worn it is here? And
Yeah,
how
but that could just be from
worn, oh, no,
current people.
I bet this has been here a while. People sitting on the rocks getting sun.
Yeah.
That's a lot of wear to make it shine like that.
I wonder what those little things, like these little holes right here.
Poles. They went
Oh,
through
that's
here.
where the posts were.
Yeah, where they had cover.
Okay.
Look at it. Looks like modern day. Oh, maybe they did go back and fix it. Oh, it does look like they came back and.
Modern day what?
It almost looks like modern day mortar here. Maybe it is the original stuff. I don't know. But yeah, they had a pole here and a pole through here so they could build a top on it.
Oh yeah, cause see where the indention is?
Yeah.
Where the post was?
Yeah. They put a post there and a post here to keep the inclement weather out.
Or for their roofing.
Yeah. Cool.
Pretty amazing to think that this has lasted 700 years.
Yep. Did you go up to two small ones?
Yeah.
So you know that this thing is solid as a rock. When they put it into the wall. All right, I'll see you at the bottom.
Alrighty. If you're afraid of heights, don't do this part because it's way down there. Oh, I heard a creak.
Yeah, it was that extra bagel this morning.
Yeah. Alrighty. Way cool. I'm awed.
Fires going there for a long time.
Yeah. So what's your overall impression of the dwellings?
Fantastic. Well worth the time, well worth the trip. This place is a destination that you do not want to miss. This is well worth the effort to get here. It's
And
fantastic.
it was driving up into the middle of the Gila National Forest, into the middle of nowhere.
As long as there's no snow on the ground. No, this is.
All I can say is wow, just wow. First walking up into the area with the soot in the ceiling, looked like stars in the sky. The whole place was just amazing, and we were allowed to walk through it. Wow, that's all I can say is I'm in awe.